CRPC, my lord. As per my lord, the petitioner to direct to pay the maintenance amount of rupees 2,000, my lord. And now, my lord, that I have filed, my lord, the matrimonial suit, my lord, the Nalbari family court, my lord. Now, this matrimonial suit, my lord, is pending, my lord, and next date fixed for, my lord, hearing. So my humble prayer, my lord, the matter may be adjourned, my lord. The next date was fixed, my lord, in family court, Nalbari, my lord. The 17/8. The matter may be next, my lord, after 17, my lord.
So the petitioner is determined not to pay the maintenance to his wife.
Yes, my lord.
He is determined that he will never pay.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
My lord, as per my matrimonial suit, my lord, there is no, my lord, relationship between the petitioner and the respondent, my lord.
Whether you are the respondent is your legally married wife or not.
No, my lord. No.
Is it?
Yes, my lord.
So
This I have, my lord. This
why is not legally married wife? Then on what basis they learn it?
Yes, my lord.
Family court has passed that order.
Pays, my lord. This my petition, my lord. Pays 74, my lord.
Let us see your evidence.
Yes, my lord. No, one is, my lord, this marriage certificate is concerned, my lord. Page 74. This is a marriage certificate. According to Mahomedan law, my lord. This Mahomedan law always, my lord, this nikah nama. It's not, my lord, marriage certificate, my lord. May I read, my lord? The 74 page.
Just a minute. Just. Okay, doctor, please take your seat. Let us go through it. Yes, tell us.
Yes,
Tell
Lordship.
us.
Lordship, both parties were in the romantic relationship for 10 years. Before the marriage and economic win,
No, not 14 years. Category is
10
one
years.
year,
Doctor,
10 years.
10 years relationship.
Only last.
Marriage did 22/1/21. The second party took her the Borpeta Sodor Kazi office for marriage as the Kazi was absent from the office. The second party took her to the Hakim of Bulut Madrasa on the same day and they both married as per the Islamic Sharia. Answer page number 74, Lordship. Answer 7. The certificate of the marriage certificate issued by the Hakim Ali.
Page number 70.
64, my lord. Last 64.
61 is the type of 63.
Okay, kindly read.
This is to certify that on dated 22/1/21, Mr. Robibul Ali, son of Mafis Ali, resident of Bida, PS, Kamarpisi district, Nalbari, and Miss Shahizan Begum, son of Rahmat Ali, resident of Bida, Karia, PS, Kamarpisi district, Nalbari, were married in the presence of witnesses as per Islamic Sharia law, and the nikah was performed with the consent of the both parties. The certificate shall be proof of the marriage between the parties. This is certificate issued by the Hakim Ali, and both party only confirm is a marriage.
So, in the judgment,
Yes.
family court,
The judgment was passed 27/3/23, case number 36.
please come to the person who have issued this certificate, right?
Yes.
Page 44. Not page 44, no, page 45. Page 45. Read paragraph 10.
Paragraph 10. The PW for Hakim Ali deposit that he knows both first party and second party. 1/22/121 at about 3 p.m. The first party and the second party come to his house at Sarabori and requested him to arrange for their marriage, as he is an authorized person to conduct Sunnati Nikah as per Sharia. Accordingly, they read Nikah in his presence as per Sharia. Exhibit 1 is the certificate issued by him as a proof that they entered into the wedlock as per Sharia, and he was the priest of the marriage. Exhibit 1+1 is his signature. He further stated that there were two witnesses of the marriage, namely Baharul Islam and Sarfat Ali. In
Then-
cross examination, he deposited that he is unable to recall the name of the ukil of the marriage. In Exhibit 1 document, he has not mentioned in name of witness the name of ukil and the amount of mohar.
Such certificate will prove the marriage. Tell us whether such certificate can prove the marriage.
Certificate issued by the Hakim Ali, but not signature of the both parties.
Whether this has the signature of Buddha parties.
No.
So, how to accept it? It is only marriage certificate without having the signature of the first party and the second party. Who has seen the marriage? Whether those witnesses mentioned in this at para 10 have deposed on behalf of the first party? Because there are two names, right?
Yes.
That's para 10.
Yes.
Whether they have deposed Baharul Islam and Sarfat Ali. Okay. The first party herself has deposed, then who else have done it? There are 8 shows somebody else. Bitu Ali, he was not present. Read para 8 and 9.
Para 8, the PW2 B2 Ali deposit that he knows both first party and the second party. He further stated that both parties were in a love affair for about 10 years before marriage. And accordingly, 122-121, they got married at Bulut Madrasa before the chief of the madrasa, namely Hakim Ali, and he was present at the marriage ceremony. Since then, they had been living together as husband and wife, but during the subsistence of the marriage on 221, the second party married another girl, namely Manju Begum. When the first party asks about the same, the second party brutally assaulted her and left her. Regarding the incident, the first party filed a police case against the second party. In cross-examination, the witness stated that he was not present in the marriage ceremony of the first party and second party. He further stated that he did not see the marriage ceremony, but 122-121, the first party told him that she would enter into wedlock with the second party at Bulot Madrasa.
Then nine,
Para number 9, PW3 Nur Haq Ali deposit that he knows very well both the first party and the second party, and he was present at the marriage ceremony of them which was performed at Bulot Madrasa under the priest Hakim. Thereafter, he witnessed both of them living together as husband and wife in the father house. The first party, but 122-21, the second party married another girl, namely Munju Begum. And when the first party asked the second party about the same, the second party brutally assaulted her and left her company. And regarding the incident of the first party, filed a police case against the second party. During cross-examination, the witness stated that there was no ukil in the marriage of the first party. Later, one said the ukil was Hakim, whom he knows since his childhood. He was not a witness to the marriage. There were total 9 persons present in the marriage, including the first party and second party, but he does not know the name of the person present. He did not see whether any paper was signed by the parties to the marriage or by the witness.
so these two witnesses on behalf of the first party
Yes.
did not see the marriage.
Yes.
And secondly, the concerned Kim, he said the marriage was performed in presence of two witnesses, though witnesses were not, did not adduce any evidence on behalf of the first party. He did not mention the name of the witnesses.
Yes.
He did not mention the name of the concerned ukil present in that marriage and the amount of mahar. And above that, there was no signatures of the parties. So how do you say that the marriage was performed by the concerned Hakim? Let us assume that Hakim has that power to perform marriage. But there has to be nikahnama, if not the Sharia document should have the signatures of both the parties. Is it there?
Yeah.
Is it there in the
No, no.
signatures? Then there are, on what basis the Learned Family Court consider that aspect? There has to be some iota, right? Now just tell us, as per the Muslim Sharia law, the signatures of the parties to the marriage, their signature should be there or not? There has to be individual witness on behalf of the first party and second party.
Yes.
Just like the nikahnama. Are those available in that certificate?
No.
Now come to page number 50. Or you can read page 49, para 17. Read
No.
para 17 and 18.
Yes, Lordship. Undisputedly, the first party and the second party are from the same village and they know each other since childhood. The first party, in her pleadings and evidence, very categorically stated that 22-1-21, she and the second party went to Bullet Madrasa and got married after observing the rites and ritual. As per Shariat, presence of the PW4, who is the chief of the Bullet Madrasa. Said chief was examined PW4, who deposited that he is authorized to conduct Sunnati Nikah as per Shariat. The said authority of the PW4 was not challenged by the second party either in cross examination or by adducing any other evidence. This therefore undisputedly show that the PW4 is an authorized person to conduct Muslim marriage.
Then read next para.
Para number 18, according to the first party, the PW4 was the priest of their marriage. The PW4 very categorically stated that in his presence, the first party and second party read Nikah and thereafter he issued the exhibit on certificate by writing the same in his own hand. When an authorized person for the subject says on oath that he first party and the second party got married as per Shariat in his presence, there remains nothing to doubt the marriage under the facts and circumstances prima facie. The first party is able to prove her marriage with the second party.
Nineteen.
Next 19, para number 19. This court has not lost sight of another aspect, such as the PW2 in his examination in chief has stated that he was present in the marriage ceremony. But while he was cross-examined, he stated that he was not present from the evidence of PW4. It appears that PW2 was not a witness to the marriage and therefore the aforesaid inconsistency does not have any significance in the present context. Next, para number 20, the only contention raised by the second party is that the first party in the FIR laws by the stated that she and the second party got married before Sodor Kazi at Borpata, but here in this case she has stated that she got married to the second party at Bullot Madrasa, which shows that the first party is telling lie. And in fact, no marriage took place between them. The first party admitted that she has mentioned in the affair about her marriage at Borbata Sodor Kazi on the same date, but in her pleadings as well as in evidence stated that on 22-121, the second party took her Borbata Sodor Kazi office or marriage, but they found the Kazi was absent in the office, and as such, the second party took her to the Hakim of Mulot Madrasa on the same day where they got married as per Islamic Sharia. A reasonable explanation has been given by the first party as to how inconsistency occurred. The certified copy of the affair indicates that it was authored by a scribe, and it cannot be denied that sometimes the scribe does mistakes. Herein The instant case, as discussed above, the first party consistently stated that she got married to the second party at Gullot Madrasa in presence of the PW4, the chief of the madrasa, and the said factum of marriage has also been confirmed by the testimony of the PW4.
Now just tell us where from the learned family court came to the finding that the affair was lost by a scribe. Please come to paragraph 20. There is a particular sentence, the certified copy of the affair indicates that it was authored by a scribe. And it cannot be denied that sometimes the scribe does mistakes. The scribe does mistakes. Now please come to page number 17. Wherefrom it is shown that it has been written by a scribe.
Page number 17.
Page number 18. There has to be signature of this concerned scribe, right? Who has written that FIR. Where is that? We have the original record of. Sharma. Wherefrom the learned family court came to know. So Is it available there? Heard Mr. Head of the Learned Council appearing for the petitioner. What's your good name?
Yes,
No.
Your good name?
Islam.
Islam. And Mr. A. Islam, Learned Counsel for the sole respondent. Notice in this case was issued on 20/06/2023. And by order dated 09/01/2024, record of the case was called for. We have also seen that by order dated 20/06/2023, first in an interlocutory application prepared by the petitioner along with this criminal revision petition, the court order to litigation is also seen that in the interlocutory application, the court in the said interlocutory application state the impugn order dated 27/03/2023 passed by learned principal judge family court Nalbari in case number 125 CRPC 103/2021, whereby the learned family court directed to pay rupees 2,000 per month as maintenance allowance to the sole respondent from the date of the judgment of the said order, that is 27/03/2023. We have perused the records in the deposition of the witnesses on behalf of the first party, I, the sole respondent hearing. Considering the materials and the considering the records, admit this criminal revision petition for hearing. The interim order passed earlier on 20/06/2023 in IA Criminal 524/2023 shall remain in force until further order of the court. Registry shall list this matter for hearing in its usual course.
Hello, bless me.
May it pleases your lordship. Your lordship, I am appearing for the sole respondent herein. My lord, I have not received the copy of the petition and the annexures that have been enclosed therewith. So,
What-
the petitioner may be directed to
What's your good name?
furnish. A.I. Ahmed. I'm appearing
You
for
are
the
Mr.
B Haldar Lordship.
Heard Mr. B. Helder, counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. A. I. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, sole respondent. Service of notice is complete on the sole respondent. Petitioner shall serve an extra copy of this criminal petition along with the annexes appended to Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the sole respondent on or before 7th of August, obtaining necessary acknowledgement from him in that regard. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Till the next date of listing of the matter. Interim order passed earlier on 19/05/2023 shall remain in force.
I may be allowed to file affidavit in opposition.
In the meanwhile, the sole respondent may file her affidavit in opposition if so applied in the matter.
Deep left.
Sablaji.
No representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. Heard Mr. P. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, appearing for the state respondents number 1. Along with Mr. A. Sharma, counsel for the petitioner. The registry shall also reflect the name of Mr. Taufik Ahmed, Taufiquuu Ahmed. Who also signed the wakalatnama on behalf of the petitioner in the court list. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
May it please the lordship. I'm for the petitioner, Your Honor. Lordship, I have prepared the written argument. D2 আহিছে নেকি আপোনাৰ তাত? D2 কল কৰিছিলে D2 কল কৰিছিলে নেকি, আহিছে নেকি? কিন্তু LCR-টো আহিছে। CV এটাতে নাই, মই চাইছো। তাতে নাই, অকল LCR-টো আছে।
Mr. Sharma,
My lord.
go through the records and tell us. There are certain things are missing probably. There is no 161 statement, nothing.
My lord.
Don't know on what basis The search sheet was filed against the petitioners and doesn't reflect anything. Maybe some pages have been left out or whatever. Go through. To take it up to some time. Next matter.
So in this case, I am appearing for response number 2. I would like to file an affidavit in this case also.
Heard Mr. M. Garodia, and counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. D. Talukdar, learned counsel appearing for the
Response number 2.
respondent number 2. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, additional prosecutor. For the state respondent number 1. As Mr. D. Talukdar and his associates have entered appearance on behalf of the respondent. Service of notice is complete on the second. Registry has also received the 11 records of DB case number DB 76 of the 2018 from the Court of Learned Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate in the case order number 1. It was called for by order dated 10/10/2020. Next. On the prayer of Mr. D. Talukdar, counsel for the respondent number 2. The said respondent is allowed to file our affidavit in opposition in this matter. List of petitions on the date to be fixed by the.
May I pray one thing, my lordship, with all respect, may I pray one thing, my lordship? Here on the last occasion, the lordship, the court observed that after receipt of the LCR, the stay shall be considered, my lordship.
Not
After
today.
filing of the affidavit.
Because my lordship, now the case has proceeded there, we have already filed the assets and liabilities. And on the next date, most probably, my lordship, this is the second DV case, actually.
Right.
First one was
When is the
withdrawn.
There is no bar in filing
No,
second.
no.
When is the next date fixed?
My lordship,
When is the
Next
next
date
date fixed?
next date fixed on, maybe, I cannot say it exactly because the CIS is not working now.
Okay.
But till
It will
next
come
date,
in
my
the week
lordship, can it be
commencing
stayed?
from- It will come in the week commencing from 19th. Registered list is matter on the date.
Lord.
Fixed by the registry in the week commencing from 19th of August. Yes, next.
My lord, item, my lord, actually, my lord, one PRC case, my lord, that first one is, my lord, that is the correct, my lord.
Second PRC you
Yes,
forwarded.
my lord.
It's a
Second,
wrongly
that is
because
not called
name,
for. That
first
is not
name is
called for,
common.
my lord.
First name is common, that is
Common.
why it has come, but the
Yes.
thing is this, it is incomplete.
Incomplete, my lord, because, my lord, in the
After the
CD
search
also-
sheet, there is nothing.
yes, my lord, and CD also, my lord, there is no statement. And my lord, earlier occasion, my lord, one order is there, my lord,
Hmm.
where, my lord, it was called for.
No, no,
Yeah,
it is
case
true. What is happening, what we have seen from here,
Hmm.
that only up to the search sheet is there.
Yes.
But if you read the order of the London magistrate, you will see that peruse the records, the statements, everything, but it is not available here.
Yes,
So we call for the records from here only.
yes.
Thank you, dear. Definitely.
This is the last order.
Show it to her, Mr. Sharma, show it
Yes,
to her. It's not complete.
Yes.
I have already.
They
You
have
have
already gone through. Finally, call for the entire record, my lord.
একটু নহয়, একটু নহয়, একটু নহয়। By order dated 29/05/2024, the court directed the court called for the scanned copy of the case diary of the Dispur Police Station case number 2028/2014. And copy of the letter 202 corresponding to PRC number 1350/2022. But from the records, it is seen that relating to say Dispur PS case number 2028/2014. Only the copy of the FIR and the search sheet dated 27/11/2018 submitted in the said Dispur PS case along with personal bond of the petitioners submitted before the Dispur Police Station along with the sketch map of the place of occurrence are only available with it. The said scanned copy of the records of Dispur PS case number 2028/14 doesn't contain full records of the said Dispur PS case, including the 161 statements of the witnesses acquainted with the case. The accused person and the informant complainant. In view of the above, the additional the Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup Metro shall forward the scanned copy, full scanned copy, and the scanned copy of the entry records of Dispur PS case number 2028/2014 connected with the corresponding to GR number letter 9924/2014 related to said PRC case number 1350/2022 presently pending before the court of London Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup Metro. Registry shall forward a copy of this order to the London Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup.
Lordship, I have a small prayer, Lordship. There is a cross case, Lordship. So I'm praying to call the LCR and case record of the
Case,
cross case also, Lordship.
What is that case number?
2027/2014. Dispute PS.
It is pending before whom?
Additional CDM, Lordship.
What is the PRC number?
1350/22.
Along with the said records of that. It's pending before additional chief judicial,
Additional children, Lordship.
whether chief judicial magistrate number of matters are also forward. The scanned copy of the records of PRC number, PRC case number 1350/2022
Lordship.
arising out of Dispur police station case number
2027 of 14.
2014. As well as Likiva, the PRC case number along with the scanned copy of the record of Dispur police case number in copy. This shall communicate this order to the direct petition. List on 21st. No.
To make for another day to load. On 20,
This 21st,
2 days after.
there will be holidays, so it will be on 28th.
May please, your lordship. Senior is on leg, can be taken out after some time. Item number 21.
What's your good name?
J Das.
Hmm?
My name J Das.
21. 21. Heard Mr. Jada's counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. A. Burua. Just Mr. Onigwan Burua. Mr. Taran Gogoi. And MS Pritasha Burua, Pritasha Sharma. Has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent, the sole respondent. By filing of alert number 121062024, whose names have been reflected in the call list. As such, service of notice is complete.
Your lordship, can it be on 12th of August?
Whose names have not been shown in the call list. Names have been shown in the. However, the respondent, sole respondent, remain unrepresented today when the matter was taken up for consideration. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship,
The petitioner shall remain on previous page as directed earlier on 02052024 till the next date of listing of the matter.
highly obliged.
May we please one more step. This is the appeal against the convictions. The petitioner was convicted under section 304 part 2, imprisonment of 5 years. And
What's your good name?
Peter Korea, almost.
But Mr. Peter Puriel and counsel for the appellant. And Mr. Andas, sorry, MS Andas, learning additional public Assam 40. State respondent number 1. By the improved judgment and order dated 15/12/2023, caused by learned Jason That's School at Case School. In Sessions case number 220/2019, convicted
Under section
appellant.
30.
under section 304 part 2 IPC and sentenced him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 5 years with fine of rupees 5,000, in default to undergo simple imprisonment for 3 months. Default of payment of fine. Aggrieved by the said judgment of conviction and sentence dated 15/12/2023 noted above, the appellant has filed this criminal appeal. This appeal will will be admitted for hearing. All quoted records.
Also, there is IA application.
Sessions case number 220/2019 from the Court of Learned Session Direction. Responsible for the clerk. Place this matter for order immediately on receipt of the reports of sale. Sessions case number 220/2019 from the Court of I. This interlocutory application filed by the applicant slash accused convicted appellant for suspension of the impugned sentence, impugned judgment and sentence, impugned judgment of conviction and sentence, whether 15/12/2023 in sessions case number 220. So it could response shall be considered after receipt of the report. Of the trial.
Possible members.
Oh. তারা কোথায় একটু নোট করে। আচ্ছা।
Yes, Lordship, this is appeal against acquittal. In NIAC case, Lordship, 1,50,000, learned court below did not comply the single provisions of the, and on the mere assumption basis, dismiss the two cases. This is one case before the Honorable Court right now. So the records are required to be called for at threshold, and I will satisfy the Honorable Court that on the face of it, I'm entitled for the check amount because there is an agreement between the party. Notice was issued, proceeding was initiated. Accused,
File two criminal appeals.
yes, Lordship, another has not come because this is has been stated. There is a limitation that is for that what is pending. Initially, by mistake, it was before the division bench. Later on, it was transferred for this single bench.
Heard Mr. Ash Sharma,
B. Sarmal.
sorry, B. Sharma,
Yes.
learned counsel appearing for the appellant. RMS. And that's. Decision to retriever for the response number 1. The complainant as an appellant has preferred this appeal. Being agreed by the appeal judgment dated 03/10/2023. Passed by Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Chief Circle in NI case number 59/2019. Acquitting accused respondent number 2 under section 138 of the NI academic. So notice. Appellant shall take steps. Probably to the extra copies to Mr. Appellant shall take steps on the acquitted accused respondent number 2 by register post on or before 8 of August, providing her correct and proper attachment. All for the records of case number 59 is the 2009 from the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Sector. Decided on the case of report of decided on from the court of Judicial Magistrate.
Any date, September, any date, any list of the list according. List according. Okay.
May please, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Boissa.
Lordship report was called for, but that was not received, Lord.
Mr. AI was counsel for the petition. And Mr. K. Boissa, an additional public prosecutor preparing for the state. By order dated 18/06/2024, the court called for a report from the concerned investigating officer of Sungazan Police Station, case number 16/2023, relating to Zimma of the vehicle bearing number Zimma of the Mahindra Bolero Power dash triple SLX vehicle bearing registration number AS 03 AA 1090. That was seized in connection with, it was seized in the said Sungazan PS case. On which date?
8/10/2023.
On 08/10/2023. Mr. Bissell and additional public submitted that the said report call from the concerned investigation officer is yet to be received. Placed on 30
For that may be given, my lord.
30/08 30/08/2024. The concerned investigation officer of Sungazan PS case will submit the report as called for by order dated 18/06/24. On the same date, I already please art, failing which the court shall consider to issue consequential order against the airing of this copy of this to Mr. K. Bush.
Hello, your lordship.
Ten years conviction, lordship.
Hmm?
10 years conviction, lordship. 20B to C, NDPS.
None appeared for the appellant on call. The name of two counsels have been reflected in the cause list. The name of the counsel have been reflected in the cause list. 25 million. It is seen that one, Mr. Mizanur Rahman and Ashidul Haq Mizanur, MITTNU, Ashidul Haq has entered appearance on behalf of the appellant. The registry shall reflect the name of both the counsels in the cause list of the appellant against this item. RMS and thus candidate for the prosecutor preparing for the step. A list of petitions. Let it to be fixed.
May please, your lordship. Now, since Mr. Vedanta is on leg in another field, can it be taken up after some time, you know?
Yes, so is that report, police report was called for.
27, lord.
Yes,
Police report on 27.
Against him, Zimma vehicle.
My lord.
Do you have the report?
We moved the last one 3rd of July, Paris, my lord. It's only a petition for Jimma.
Lordship, report we have not received, Lordship.
Then he has to have personally appear on the next day.
Lordship, we have sent the
You have some, you are not denying the fact.
Lordship, day after tomorrow, Lordship, last chance can be given, Lordship.
I would be,
Releasing empty hectare vehicle.
Why these two applications?
Only four.
Yes, sir. Zimma of the vehicles. Dasty color. Small Roman one bracket or zero. One black color Toyota Fortuner vehicle bearing registration number AS 20.
I'm an MG actor only.
Releasing MG hectare vehicle.
You are for?
I am for only MG actor.
There are two petitions.
27 of the land.
There are two petitions, one petition first. First petition in respect of only vehicle, my lord.
Bearing registration number. Red color Camry Electra vehicle bearing registration number AS 06 AL 0001. Sealed on 26/04/2024. And Tinsukia PS case number 122/2024.
To MG hectare.
All for the report.
Thank you.
No, no. No, report. Pause to it. By order it is 020724. Report call for the record, report from the concerned investigating officer relating to the reasons for seizure and keeping the vehicle bearing number in connection with opposing its Zimma prayer. By order the 22/07/2024. Report further fixing the matter on 22/07. On 22/07/2024, the court granted further time to the concerned investigating officer of the to furnish such report fixing the matter today. Even today, the concerned investigating officer of such and such failed to place the said report. In view of the above, failure on the part of the concerned investigating officer of Tinsukia PS case number 6 and such to place the relevant report across as sought for by the court earlier on 02/07/2024. Both the officer in charge of Tinsukia police station as well as the investigating officer shall have to personally remain present. List accordingly on such. Copy of this.
Oh, on 12 or 13, my lord.
20.
12th August or 13
It will
August.
not come.
Huh?
It will not come. We are fixing it on 28.
28. Then on 5th September, my lord. It is too long here. In fact, your lordship, the last 4 months, the vacant
21st August.
21st.
21st.
Lordship, I have some personal difficulty there.
19th.
The 5th of
Next week not possible. That's the reason.
okay.
Either on 19th or 21st. or
19th.
19th.
Huh? Oh, 19 my junior also. On 18 years.
18 is Sunday.
So, okay. Before that, anything, any day.
Next week not possible.
Okay. Maybe I'm even thinking guide.
38, 30.
But I mean, this is very.
That's what we are asking you. We gave
Either this week, lordship, please.
this week is not possible. Either on 19th or 21st. Up to you.
Then 21st. The same is passport and money. The second petition.
Second petition, you are asking for what?
Passport was seized, my passport was seized and rupees 10 lakhs rupees. 10,76,300.
Same. I'll submit a report. List on suspense, such and such. For the report of the concerned investigating officer of Principal PS case number 122 relating to Zimma
My passport and 10 lakhs.
relating to no passport number.
Passport and 10,76,300 rupees. That was it.
Original passport. The name of no, original passport bearing number. Capital D 1117597. Issued in the name of the petition. And amount of rupees and an amount of rupees in lakh. That's amount of rupees 10,76,300. Was seized on same day. Or copy of this order for next person. List on same date. Copy of
Same date, you know.
list along criminal division petition number 258 of 2024.
My lord.
Make it easy. I will pass over the method for the day, my lord. I will begin the order of formalizing.
Pursuant to the order the 2005-2024. The registry received the records of criminal FC criminal case number 321 of 2018 from the Court of London. Principal thus family court for better. Part I'm a part of counsel for the petitioner and I was, and that's additional prosecution for the short. List after 2 weeks on is to be fixed by the interim or faster on 20/05/2024 shall remain in force till the next date of this.
In order में कौन सा है my lord? Public.
LCR I said, oh. They have challenged the entire proceeding. LCR is here.
Do you have,
LCR is here with the court records.
no, 161 statement was not there
Acha.
earlier.
Huh? There's only one file that has come. No, fine, isn't I have legal.
Hmm. It was issued only on 1st of August. List on 2nd of September,
Not. One file has come, perhaps that is the.
not complete,
Acha.
along with the updated scan copy of the records of PRC number 1625/2023. Arising out of Zorabat,
Yes, madam.
Zorabat police station case number. Or Bosista,
Bosista PS case number 114/2022.
Bosista PS case number 656/2020. Along with the statement of the witnesses recorded in the section 161. of it. And that was called for by order the 1707. Children from the Court of Law, the Court of London Subdivision Judicial Magistrate number 1, Kampuchmet. Till and the interim order passed earlier on 17/7/2024 shall be made.
Well, an interim order may be continued.
This case steps was taken, my lord, on 8/9/20, my lord. No report has come yet, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. Rahman, counsel appearing for the petitioner. Peruse the office note dated 30/07/2024. Place the matter before the Lozima court for necessary report. List on 21st of August.
There's a leave petition here. Complaint case. Complaint case. This is the same case Lordship had taken few days back, where ingredients of 494 are absent.
But somebody filed local term as per their report, but
Yes, my lord.
who has filed the local?
R Dhor, Dhor and R Mazumdar.
He filed to that?
Plot number.
Acha.
It is seen from the records of the case. Leave petitioner taken over. That
The notice has been extended.
local or comma.
They appear.
Bimal Chandra Musahari, Ranjan Majumdar, and Amrita Basumatari have filed their Okalatnama on behalf of the respondent number one, respondent number one,
Not for
Santosh Torgari, on 1803-2021, but their names have not been reflected in the cause list. Registry shall reflect your names. On behalf of the respondent number one, along with PPR sum and the cause list. List on 27th. For all.
Touch.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in this case, my lord, we have found one affidavit, my lord. And 14/3/24, my lord, one order passed by this honorable court regarding paper publication. And accordingly, we have taken steps to paper publication, my lord. That affidavit may be taken first. Annexure A, page 111, my lord, this is the order. We have filed it on 6/4/2024. Then lordship will find that from registry, my lord, it is issued to the editor of Assamese Proceedings at page 113, Annexure B. Annexure C is the Assamese Proceedings, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, the original paper where it is printed, my lord, we have filed another affidavit on 24 May 2024.
Direction was for only for publishing in one newspaper.
Yes, my lord. Proceeding times, my lord.
Pursuant to the order of the court. Dated 14/03/2024. The petitioner took step, the sole respondent by substitute manner by serving notice to newspaper publication in the vernacular in bracket Assamese Proceedings published on 24/03/2024. To that extent, the petitioner, by filing an additional affidavit, on 06/04/2024, annex a photocopy of the said notice published in the said vernacular newspaper of Assamese Proceedings on 24/03/2024, and by another affidavit, additional affidavit, filed on 23/05/2024, 24/05/2024. Annex the original copy of the Assamese Proceedings, vernacular Assamese Proceedings, dated 24/03/2020. Though notice on the sole respondent sole opposite party has been taken by the petitioner, complainant, to substitute manner by publishing the notice way back on 24/03/2024. But the said sole opposite party did not appear in the matter till date. Considering the above, service of notice on the sole opposite party is considered to be complete. Yes, oh,
There is no
list the matter
admission.
for admission on 29th August.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, just take off my lord, this is against my lord, acquittal, my lord. Appeal is against acquittal, and the case is under section 138 of NI Act, my lord. The other side has been represented. Let the matter be fixed for admission. my
You are
lord.
appearing,
No, my senior has to go back, has to rush back.
huh?
My senior had to rush back due to some personal difficulties, my lord. I am being instructed to seek adjournment for today, my lord. Only, my lord, matter may be fixed for admission, my lord. Nothing.
Just a minute. What's your good name?
S.S. Ahmed, my lord.
Pardon, Sanas Thakurial, I am counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. M. Mondal. Mr. M. Mondal, along with Mr. M. H. Borpia and Mr. M. R. Borpia, has entered appearance on behalf of the sole respondent by filing order. Such service of notice is complete on the sole respondent. Release this matter for admission on 29th.
My lord, date
29th.
29. Obliged, my lord.
My lord, we have filed an IA, my lord, for bail, my lord.
Objection filed.
Objection, my lord, not filed, my lord.
Why? Foxo case.
Yes, my lord, you have to file, my lord.
Now notice have been served.
Notice to have.
देखो 45 रुपये ऑर्डर था तुम्हारे को Heard Mr. S.S. Rahman in tax, Land Council appearing for the appellant slash applicant. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondent number 1. The appellant hearing is the convicted accused. Under section 4 of the POCSO Act. And sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 10 years. With fine of rupees 10,000 in default to and in default simple imprisonment for another 1 year. In terms of the impugned judgment of conviction and sentence dated 31/03/2023, passed by learned additional session judge from special judge within bracket POCSO Corpora in special POCSO case number 52/2018. Here was the office note dated 25/08/23. The appellant shall take steps for service of notice on the respondent number 2 informant of certified PS case number 104/2018 relating to said special POCSO case number 52/2018 noted above. In the address Muhammad Harmuz Ali, HARMUZ, a single line query, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.15. Muhammad Harmuz Ali, son of Muhammad Abdul Ali, village Pithari, PITHADI, PAM, PAM. লগালগি পুলিশ স্টেশন পুলিশ স্টেশন সঠিবাড়ি ডিস্ট্রিক্ট বরপেটা to the officer in charge, sorry, to the public prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, by serving a copy of the same, copy of this criminal, this appeal along with the, this memo of appeal along with the annexes appended to. Sufficient? obtaining necessary acknowledgement from Office of the Public Prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, Guwahati, on or before 07/08/2024. Attest to declare that the continuous secretary. Next paragraph. Thereafter, to the officer in charge of Thotibari Police Station, the notice shall be served on the informant respond number 2. Notice of this criminal act shall be served. Full stop. Next paragraph. The officer in charge of Thotibari Police Station, on or before 28th of August 2080, shall submit a report regarding service of notice of this criminal appeal required by the convicted accused appellant Muslim Ali on the informant response number 2. List on 30. Take steps.
My lord, I will take a step tomorrow, man. Tomorrow I'll take a step.
Criminal appeal will be I কৰিলে কাৰণ appeal to memo পোৱা নাইতো
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, this is a revision against conviction, Lordship, in NI Act offense, Lordship. Lordship may kindly peruse order dated 24/8/2023, passed in the IA criminal 7/4/5/2023. By that order, Lordship, we were allowed to remain on previous bail till the returnable date, subject to the payment of 20,000 before the registry, Lordship. Accordingly, we have made the payment, Lordship. Office note 17/5/2024 reflects that, Your Honor, the money deposit report has been received from the office of the Registrar General, flagged at A in the Part 2 file here. Flag A, Lordship. There are 3 flags.
Peruse the office note dated 01/08/2024. It is seen that notice through postal notice on the response number 2 could not be served because of insufficient address. It is also seen next paragraph, that the process server could not serve notice on the response number 2 as per the report that none of the local people residing in the given address knew the said respondent. Considering both the reports noted above and the petitioner is directed to take fresh steps for service of notice on the response number 2 on by registered post HAD, providing her correct and proper address with requisite postal stamps on or before 12th of August. The petitioner is also allowed to take steps on the respondent number 2, providing her correct and proper address. By usual process. On or before. same day. Less than the week commencing from 9th of September. On the date to be paid by the registrar.
Lordship, regarding the prayer, Lordship, we have submitted the amount and we were
That will
allowed to remain.
consider on the next date, Mr. Chaudhary.
Lordship, as because we have made the payment, your Lordship may kindly.
You have
consider the-
deposited
Yes,
that,
report is there. Report is there, Lordship, at flag A.
it is pointed out by Mr. Q. Chaudhary, counsel for the petitioner, that pursuant to the order
24/8/2023.
24082023. Passed
Pa-
in I CRL 745/2023 connected IHL. The petitioner applicant deposited an amount of rupees 20,000 by way of demand draft number 569305 dated 20/09/2023, drawn on State Bank of India, Guwahati main branch, with the Registrar General of this court. In that regard, peruse the office note dated 27/09/2023 of the registry of this court.
Lordship, regarding to the bail to be made absolute, Lordship, regarding that.
Since the petitioner has deposited the said amount of rupees 20,000 pursuant to the said order, I pass. He shall remain on previous bill
Till the pending of disposal.
until further order of the court.
Oh, bless it.
Until further order,
Lordship,
will not make any change in.
Not with the Lordship. Lordship, your Lordship may kindly peruse the office note dated 37/24. Your Lordship, in this case, the respondent number 2 and 3 has appeared. However, with regard to respondent number 1, though the steps have been taken, the ID card and service is not yet awaited, is still awaited. But may I request your Lordship, under the General Process Act, section 27, a deemed may be taken, your Lordship.
Just a minute.
Because in the trial court, he was the complainant, respondent number 1. He did not turn up after filing the case, and in spite of that, the court has kept the matter pending, kept it filing. Your Lordship may see the impugned order against which we have come before this honorable court at page 23, your Lordship. The order dated 18/11/2022. Now, if your Lordship sees this, The second last para from the bottom, it is clear that it appears that no immediate prospect of securing the attendance of the aggrieved and or side of evidence future, so no purpose will be served in keeping the case, fixing the case on a day-to-day basis. This case be filed. Now, a case is being kept pending indefinitely against me, your lordship, in spite of the fact that the accused is not pursuing the matter before the trial court. So we are before this court only on with regard to that. The case should have been dismissed because of the trial court ought to have dismissed the case instead of merely filing the case because the accused is not interested in pursuing, sorry, the complainant, the respondent number one herein. And the respondent number 1 and 2 were co-accused in the same case. The complainant is not turning up to file her evidence, not coming before the trial court, your lordship. And in spite of those non-appearance, the trial court, instead of dismissing the complaint, has merely kept the case, filed the case for an indefinite period. When she will appear, when not, nothing is there, your lordship. And both of the complainant, the accused now is kept in a limbo without there being any final outcome of the case, your lordship. Lordship will see also page 63. 63 is the order passed immediately before this impugned order, your lordship. Annexure 8. It is an order dated 3/9/22, which is referred to in the impugned order of 18/11/23. Your lordship will find that the thing is very clear that for the last 4 years, the case is pending for the accused, complainant to come forward, your lordship.
Where was the office note dated 30/07/2002? The petitioner is directed to take first steps for service of notice on the respondent number 1.
Can it be through the police, concerned police station, your lordship?
By registered post secretary on or before 8th of August in the following address. Srimati POMPY Bora BORAH Hazarika, daughter of Sri Padma Bora PADDA BORAH. Dihing Hotra, North Guwahati. Guwahati 781030. District Kamrup. अच्छा ठीक है Registry shall issue reminder to the
SDGM,
Court of Learned Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate, Sadar, number 1, Kamrup Metro. Or the scanned copy of the records of where is the order?
the impugned order, your lordship, is that annexure A, page 23.
DV case number 135/2016. That was called for by order dated 13/06/2020. Placed on list in the week commencing from 2nd of September on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obligation.
Second is 9th of September. Maladiva.
Presumption. My lord, in this case, my lord, we may be allowed to take fresh step, my lord, because my lord, steps was taken on, my lord, 19/9/2023, my lord. But till date, my lord, no report, my lord, or my lord, no AD card has been returned back. My lord, we will take fresh step, my lord, if you will not spare.
Where is the office notice at 31/07/2024? Registry has already received the relevant records from the Principal Judge Family Court, Dhubri. And that was called for by order that 14/09/2022. Regarding service of notice on the respondent number 2, matter be placed before the Lozima Court for its necessary report. Placed again on 30th of August.
Make bigger loss. Okay, lordship, in this case, lordship, I have taken step from them today itself, lordship.
Where was the office notice 01/08/2020?
May I submit one thing, lordship?
Registry shall issue reminder to the Court of Learned Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate, in bracket Sadar, Jorhat, for the records of, for the scanned copy of the records of PRC case number 1182/2021, along with the records of Jorhat Police Station case number 89/2021, related to the said PRC case. Mr. R. Fukan, counsel appearing for the petitioners submitted that steps on the respondent number 2 has been taken today. RMS and thus list after 4 weeks.
So, may I submit one thing, lordship? As per order dated 4/10/2023, lordship, case record has been called for, lordship. Particular registry has called for the scan copy, lordship. Perhaps the honorable.
Scan copy will be required. We are not calling for the records nowadays.
Then my lordship, my another prayer is that, lordship, on 3/7/2024, lordship, The learned court below has issued a bailable warrant of arrest against me, my lord.
While an application will consider,
Lordship,
while appropriate application,
lordship. Obliged, lordship.
list after 4 weeks only. Get to be put.
Lordship, in this case, service already completed, Lordship, kindly fix for the admission hearing, Lordship.
Please little louder.
Lordship, service has been completed, Lordship, kindly fix for the admission hearing, Lordship.
What's your good name?
Wrong, my Lordship.
Where was the office notes? Where office note 0106/2024. Registry has already received back the. Where is the now? Service of notice on the response number 3 and 4. Comrade. The name of the response number 2 was already struck off. By order dated 18/06/2024. Hard MS.
Wrong, my Lordship.
Council appearing for the petition and MS and additional public prosecutor appearing for the respondent number 1. None appeared.
No, Lordship, it has not been appeared, Lordship. Just private response.
Filled it. The response number 3 and 4 have not entered appearance in the matter. 3 is the forest officer,
Yes, Lord.
forest office, DFO. Only. Registry shall list this matter for admission in the week commencing from 27th of August, reflecting the name of Standing Council Forest Department, Assam, for the response number 3 in the clause list. Where was the office notes dated 14/06/2024 and 29/07/24? Registry has already received the relevant records of CR case number 8668/2023. We learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup Metro Court. Matter be placed before the Lozima Court. Order report relating to the service of notice on the response number 2. List on 38. Oh, Sharma. Just a minute. Mr. Raj, just a minute. Yeah, Apotole, none appeared for the petitioner. There was the opposition. I go to, huh? Huh? The petitioner shall take first steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post secretary to state on or before 09/08/2024 in the following address: Osima Chaudhary, daughter of late Kanak Chaudhary, M and Clave HCM and Clave ENC, house number 6, Classic Nagar, Island number 5, Guwahati 781007, mobile number 920581965. List after 4 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
May please allow. My lord, Your Lordship, first of all, we took steps by Dusty on 5/2/24. Then on Your Lordship may peruse the office note dated 26/7/24. Previously, they refused to accept. Then my lord, on.
Yes, public prosecutor, what is the report? From Borodomo police station, you don't get the report. What is this, Mr. Sharma?
The day after tomorrow.
Not like this. Not like this. 16th,
My lord.
less than 16/08/2024, on the said that the officer in charge of Borodomo police station shall apprise the court pertaining to the service of notice on
Respondent number 2.
the complainant, informant complainant respondent number 2. In terms of the order, it is 15/07/2024. So the public prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, Guwahati, without big. Yes, next.
Complete your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I have been informed by the appellant, your lordship, because it's raining in torrents. Person got stuck in the car, your lordship. It's really raining very heavily, your lordship.
Here in Guwahati?
Yes, your lordship, it's raining outside. It's in torrents and it's waterlogged everywhere. He got stuck, your lordship. Lordship, may fix it any other day.
Yeah, we should wait till 3 days after. Okay. List after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply obliged. sir.
May I please, Your Lordship? As per
Let's
office,
wait for point over. Yes,
as per office note, notice already been completed. Opposite respondent name is also shown in the court list. It is the IF for condemnation of delay of 140 days, Lordship. The dead
just a
delay.
minute, just a minute. Heard Mr. A. Goswami counsel appearing for the applicant. None appeared for the sole respondent. Two name of two councils have been reflected in the cause list. List after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, date may be fixed, Lordship.
It will come next week.
Of like,
Lordship. Lordship, as per office note, we have taken steps, but the CD has not yet arrived. Steps upon respondent number 2.
Charge sheet filed. Charge sheet issued or what?
My lord,
Not aware.
my lord, I'm not aware.
On the next date fixed.
My
The
lord, may it be-
investigating officer of Pragjyotish Police Station. Case number 24/2024. Corresponding to GR case number 665/2024. Shall place updated up-to-date status report along with the scanned copy of the case diary. Before they go through the officer in charge, sorry, public prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, Guwahati. List on 27. Copy of this order to Mr. B. Sharma, London Detention Public.
Obliged.
My lord, I have filed an IA
Hmm.
on the basis of Honorable Supreme Court's order, and there is conviction of 10 years, man. And I have suffered more than 5 years. The Honorable Supreme Court said when 50% of the
Sure,
conviction.
but just a minute.
My lord, kindly grant me bail because since last more than 5 years I have been in jail. And Supreme Court has clearly said that that is the basis of.
Mr. Sharma, any objection file or anything? Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll do one.
My lord, time unnecessarily. Supreme Court's clear direction is there. I have given perhaps the last time, Lordship, if you want,
Mr.
I may also give today as well. Lord. Lord,
Mr. Mahmood,
his wife's condition is very serious. Lord.
Mr. Mahmood will have it tomorrow. Kali kori by sleep. Tomorrow. You make a mention in the morning because tomorrow is a hearing day. Unless if you make a mention in the morning, this I will not be taken up. So make a mention in the morning, it will come up tomorrow.
Well, highly obliged.
Please this matter tomorrow. By sleep করে দিও ফটো থাকো এতে রেকর্ড এতে থাকলে কথা না ইয়েস ম্যাম
May I please the lordship, in this matter, service is not completed.
it is seen from the office note that at 17/7/2014 the service on the respondent number 2 was issued only on was taken only on 17/7/2024 in view of the above, place this matter after 4 weeks
Lordship, interim order may continue.
on a date to be fixed by the just a minute. in the interim, till then, till the next date of listing of the matter. The interim order passed earlier on 25/06/2024 shall remain in force. তুমি মেনশন করছিল নাকি রাতে? A2. On behalf of the it is submitted, it is brought to the notice of the court that the counsel for the petitioner, S.K. Singh, prayed for receipt of this case full form variety. However, today there being no link to the internet. Matter could not be considered today. List again on 13/08 for hearing.
My lord, with due respect, may I be permitted to file one informal reminder application with regard to one pending pronouncement of judgment with regard to one review petition?
Do you have that number?
Yes, my lord, an informal application is being sent. The matter was last heard on 12 December.
It was in DB, I believe.
Review petition, my lord.
DB division bench,
Review division bench, my lord.
along with Justice.
Honorable Mitali Thakuri.
Okay, we have taken note of, we'll pass the order.
My lord.